In today's world, where criminal activities have become a threat, security agencies are working their best to eliminate these atrocities. Digital evidence management systems have made the investigation easier for law enforcement agencies. Vidismo provides the best way of having tamper-free data by offering its customers a digital evidence management system where the data is not only secured safely but is used in the analysis to achieve the ultimate result. Moreover, Vidismo enables managers and moderators to move evidence across various portals nestled in under one account. The copy function copies the evidence and all its settings in the destination portal without having to re-enter the details again. In this video, we will be looking at moving evidence across portals in Vidismo Digital Evidence Management. From the portal's homepage, select the evidence you wish to move to another portal. Click on Copy from the top menu bar and you will be redirected to the new page with the list of available portals where the evidence can be copied. Select a portal or multiple portals and use the Copy button at the bottom to initiate the copy process. Once the evidence copy process is completed, an email will be sent to you about the completion process. From the left-hand navigation on the portal's homepage, use the down arrow to expand the list of portals. Select a portal to load the homepage of that portal and the recently copied evidence becomes available. By the way, the publish and view settings of the destination portals will be applied on the copied evidence. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of the other guides to learn more about Vidismo Digital Evidence Management System. Stay tuned until next time.